Connecting a serial printer to a human-machine interface, HMI, is essential for efficiently printing screens, alarm messages, and other critical information. This seamless communication ensures that vital data is available in a tangible format. Users can configure printer parameters including the communication port, baud rate, and data verification methods through the HMI's Settings and Communication Settings menu. In addition, barcode scanner description as graphical identifiers that encode information using a series of black bars and spaces, conveying details such as product origin, manufacturer, and important dates. To connect a human-machine interface, HMI, to a serial printer, follow these steps to ensure proper configuration for printing screens, alarm messages, or other content from the HMI. Begin by navigating to the menu bar and selecting Settings, then Communication Settings, followed by Printer. In the pop-up dialog box, configure the relevant parameters and click OK to finalize the setup. The key parameters to configure include Use Printer. Ensure this option is checked to establish a connection between the printer and the HMI via the serial port. Printer model. Select the appropriate model based on your specific printer. Communication port. Specify the port used for communication between the HMI and the printer. Baud rate. Set the data transmission speed according to your printer's specifications. Parity check. Choose the data verification method, which can be odd, even, or none. Data bit. Define the number of data bits used during communication. Stop bit. Indicate the last bit of a single data package. For communication standards, there are several options: RS-232, RS-485-2, and RS-485-4. By following these guidelines, you can effectively set up your HMI to communicate with a serial printer, ensuring reliable printing of necessary information. Barcode. Barcode scanner connection. Depending on your choice, you can select either to read from a USB scanner or a serial scanner. If you choose to use a USB scanner, then you just need to connect it directly to the HMI, and it will be capable to scan the barcodes. To create a barcode scanner connection, begin by accessing the appropriate settings in your software. Select Settings Cache Communication, Settings Cache Local Connection from the menu bar, set COM1, and choose Provide Service, Slave. Configure the relevant parameters in your template and click OK. Choose the device type. From the list, select Barcode to connect just one, or Barcode M to connect with multiple scanners. The device alias will be placed in service, and the server station numbers can be set to constant or variable. We will select constant and leave it at 1. Afterwards, configure the communication settings according to your preferences. Set the communication type to RS-232, RS-485-2, or RS-485-4, baud rate to 9600, data bit to 8, stop bit to 1, and parity bit to none. The serial port scanner supports register range LB8999, LW8900, 8999. The address LB899 is used to indicate whether the barcode has been received. Let's create a text input. We set the register type to LW1, and in text settings, we set the character per line to 20. This is used when we are connecting the barcode scanner directly to the HMI. For serial port, let's set up 2 components. Let's add in an indicator light and set it up to address LB8999, in which it is used to indicate whether the information of the barcode has been received. Select the display mode as Register Control, then Bit Register, and the address would be LB8999. The number of state would be 2. When more than one state condition is met, the minimum entry valid state is selected. Then, select the condition as positive logic. Add the graphics you like to display and press OK. The serial port scanner does not need to input the components into an importable state. You can scan directly to enter the content of the barcode into the address starting from LW8900. For this, you would use the same parameters for the text input, but with a set address type of LW8900. That would be the starting point. With the project now being simulated, we can connect the barcode scanner to the HMI using the USB cable or serial cable. Depending on what you choose, when the settings are configured and the device connected, the system will handle the rest. Thank you for watching.